What?
It's good.
It's good?
Good.
Yum. Are you helping?
Morning.
Do you want to lick them off?
No.
Want me to take them off so you can lick them? Are you a helper? Whoa! Whoa!
Very good.
It's got strawberry in it.
Okay, yes.
You want to mix them together? Here. Okay, I'll turn this off and we'll mix them together, okay?
Hello, how are you? Like your shoes, love your hair. Hello, how are you? Love that shirt, you look great. Hello, how are you? Love your pants and your smile.